Hello, welcome to Rear Facing Toddlers. This is the Movekid, the new rear facing car seat from Axkid, which goes from 61 centimetres up to 1,25 metres, and that is roughly 6 months to 6 years. For babies and young children, the Movekid comes with an insert, and that is removed for older children as they grow. And for older children, the headrest would be a lot higher, so you just to loosen the harness to give it room. You pull this tab and it can go all the way up to here. Obviously, when it is at this height, for a big child who would be about 6 or 7 years old by now, the insert would be removed. This car seat is installed in the car with a seat belt and a pair of tether straps, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do it. These are manual tether straps, so they need to be tightened by hand, but before you fit them you need to lengthen them, and you do that by pressing this grey button and then pulling the back part of the strap down to make it longer, and to tighten you pull the front strap to make it shorter. There is a loop at the end of the strap opposite to where the hook is, and that loop goes under the front seat's runner rail. I'm passing the end with the loop under the rail, and then you open up the loop and you take the hook at the other end of the strap and pass it through this loop, and then you pull it tight. And then you repeat that on the other rail. Pull tight, and now you've got 2 tether straps and you're ready to install the car seat. The Movekid has 2 recline options, and the recline is adjusted with this foot underneath the seat. So it's currently folded away, which gives it a more upright position, and to recline it a bit more, the foot is folded out. To install the seat, you have to first of all open this flap with a zip to reveal the seatbelt locking clip. And the clip itself is opened by lifting this little lip and lifting it up. You then pull out the seatbelt, making sure that you have enough length and you keep it nice and flat. You then pass it through this hole on the side indicated in green and go straight across through the green clip and out of the same hole on the opposite side. Then pull the belt all the way out and buckle it in. You then need to pull the slack out of the seat belt, and you do that by pulling the diagonal belt, which removes the slack from the lap belt. Pull it as tight as possible, push the seat down into the car to get all the slack out, hold it tight, and then pull this belt here to pull the slack through the seat. And you then need to secure the belt by closing the green clip and locking it into place by pushing down on this lip. And you then just need to close the flap and do up the zip. You then need to attach the hook on the end of the tether strap to this little metal bar here on the back of the seat, like this. And you then pull the strap down to tighten it. And to attach the second tether strap, I've had to climb into the front seat because it's easier to reach it from here. So again, you just get this hook, attach it to the small metal bar on the back of the seat, and then pull the strap to tighten it. You then need to lengthen the support leg. You push it all the way out as far as these little straps will allow, and then press this button. The leg will drop down. You pull it down until that button pops back out and locks into place. And then all that's left to do is to fit the ASIP block, the Axkid side impact protection. When the seat is new and comes out of the box, you'll have a cover here. That needs to be removed. And then under there you'll see 4 little holes, and there are 4 little knobbly bits on the back of the ASIP block, and you just line those up, push it in and down, and then it's attached to the side. So that's how you install the Axkid Movekid in the car. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.